Okay, hello student.
Hello,
Yes.
teacher.
What is your name?
My name is Diệp.
Oh, yes, right. Can I call you Rosie? Rosie?
Yes.
Rosie. Yes, right. It's a beautiful name, right? Okay, so um, how how are you now? How are you now?
It's good.
Oh, I'm good, right? So, were you scary about the test today?
Yes.
Yes, and a little bit worried, right? Yes, okay. Now, Rosie, are you ready for the test?
Yes.
Yes, okay, very good. And the first one, can you tell me about Tony's day in 3 or 4 sentences? Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Can
Um,
in a small village.
in
In
a
a small
small
village.
village,
Mm-hmm. There was a boy,
there was a boy.
and his name is
His name is Tony.
yes, right. Tony was a Tony was a curious
Tony
boy.
was a curious boy.
Yes, and he loved to explore the forest and its secret, right?
Yes.
Yes, okay. And now you will look at my screen and speak louder the sentence, okay? Mm. I will
Yes.
share my screen. Yes. Okay, can you see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So you will speak louder the graph. Tony's day. Let's go.
Tony's day.
Mm-hmm.
Tony's day. In a small village, there was a boy named Tony. Tony was a curious boy.
Mm-hmm.
He loved to explore the forest and its
Secret.
secrets.
Mm-hmm.
One day, he went,
He wondered.
he wandered into the forest.
Mm-hmm. He stumbled upon.
He stumbled upon a magical tree. The
Yes.
tree had a face and could talk.
Mm-hmm.
The tree said, I can give you a wish.
Mm-hmm.
Tony was too amazing and scary.
Yes, Tony was so amazed and scared, right? Okay,
Yes.
and now you will answer all my question. Okay, Rosie, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, very good. In a small village, there was a boy named Tony. Tony was a curious boy. Ooh. Okay, now, Rosie, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, very good. In a small village, there was a boy named Tony. Ooh. Was there a boy named Tony in a large village?
No.
No. Was there a boy named Tony in a small city?
No.
No. Was there a boy named Tony in a small village?
Yes.
Yes, right. Where does Tony live? Where does Tony live?
Tony lived in a small village.
Yes, very good. Tony lived in a small village. Tony was a curious boy. Ooh. Was Rosie a curious boy?
No.
No. Was Tony a curious boy?
Yes.
Yes. Was Tony a humorous boy? Humorous boy?
Yes.
Humorous boy?
No.
No, right? Was Tony a curious boy? A curious boy.
Yes.
Yes, Tony was a curious boy, right? So, how was Tony? How was Tony? How was Tony?
Tony is curious boy.
Yes, Tony was a curious boy, right? He loved to explore the forest and its secrets. Ooh.
Ooh.
Tony loved to explore the hill and its secret. Explore the hill. Explore the hill. Yes or no? Explore the hill and its
No.
secrets. No, this Tony loved to explore the forest and its secrets.
Yes.
Yes, right. This Tony loved to explore the forest and its secret. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Who loved to explore the forest and its secret?
The Tony.
Yes, Tony. One day he wandered into the forest. Ooh.
Ooh.
One day did he wander into the market?
No.
No. One day did he wander into the mountain?
No.
No. One day did he wander into the forest?
Yes.
Yes. Where did Tony wander into?
Tony went into the forest.
Yes, into the forest. Did Tony lost into the forest?
Yes.
Yes, right. Tony lost into the forest, right? One day, what happened with Tony?
Tony.
What happened with Tony? Tony wandered
Tony wandered
into
the forest.
Yes, Tony wandered into the forest. Okay. Yes, thank you, Rosie. It is the end of the test today, and you have a good performance.